I wish I had some story about how my great-great-great-grandfather was a Marine, but I filled out a survey and for a keychain. And besides getting a keychain, the recruiter came to my house. After completing boot camp in 2002, in 2008, got mobilized to participate in Operation Iraqi Freedom. We were sent to northern Iraq, and we did 100 days of continuous operations. So it was like the wintertime also. So it was like the coldest, wettest, mentally taxing time of my life. But it gives me a lot of appreciation for a lot of different things, like sometimes the worst problems that we have or the Wi-Fi might stop working. So it kind of helps keep things into their proper perspective. It was just by happenstance and connections that I made with other people that worked there at Samsung, I learned about this facility and also about the position of the security supervisor. My services in the military, although they're infantry, there's no infantry job out here. But those skills and tools that I developed through that service, I'm kind of lined up with here at Samsung. Manufacturing is a great fit for someone who has military experience and a veteran because the way that they're set up are very similar. In the military, you have a mission that you're supposed to accomplish, and in manufacturing, you usually have a goal that you're supposed to meet. Through teamwork and safety and hard work, we're able to accomplish that mission. Samsung appreciates my military service. Because I'm still currently serving, which means that there are several instances where I'm out of the office to perform military service, and I haven't had any pushback, any negative feedback from when I tell my boss that, hey, I have to leave to go perform military service. Sometimes it can be once a month, or sometimes it can be several times a month, but regardless of the frequency, my employer always supports me. It's fast-paced, and it's a challenge every day. And I like dealing with those challenges. I do enjoy it.